In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Figma Drafts files to a team project. This is really helpful if you've been designing in your personal draft space and now need to organize everything under a shared team workspace, where your teammates can easily find, review, and collaborate on your files. First, open Figma in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're on the Files view, not inside a specific design file. On the left-hand side, you'll see different sections such as your recent files, teams, and a dedicated area called Drafts. Drafts is your private workspace in Figma where files are only visible to you unless you explicitly share them. This is usually where quick explorations, experiments, or early concepts live before they're ready for the team. Go ahead and click on Drafts. Once you're there, you'll see all the files you've created or saved in this private space. Take a moment to locate the specific file or files that you want to move into a team project. It can help to rename your file first if its title is unclear, so teammates will immediately understand what it is once it's in the project. Now, with your drafts visible and your destination team project in mind, you're ready to move the file. In Figma, moving a file from drafts into a team project is as simple as dragging and dropping. Click and hold on the file thumbnail in drafts. While holding, drag it towards the left sidebar where your teams and projects are listed. Hover over the correct team and then over the specific project where you want the file to live. When you see that project highlighted, release your mouse. Figma will move the file out of drafts and into that team project. After the drop, navigate to the team project to double check that your file is now there. You should see it listed alongside the rest of your team's files. From this point on, the file will inherit the team project's sharing and permission settings, which makes it easier for collaborators to access, comment, and edit. If teammates couldn't see your file before, moving it out of drafts and into the project usually solves that. That's all you need to do. Click on Drafts, drag your file, and drop it into the right team project. This quick habit helps keep your work organized and ensures your designs are stored where your whole team can benefit from them.